to Math Companion. Today we have another question which is very important in IGCSE. The trapezium has an area of 60 units square. Work out the value of x to three significant figures. So this question links geometry to algebra. So the area of a trapezium, as we know it from geometry, the area of a trapezium is equal to 1 over 2 into brackets a plus b multiplied by h. Now a and b, they are the lengths, the lengths of the parallel sides of a trapezium. H is the vertical height. So the area we have been given here is 60, which is equals to 1 over 2 into brackets. Our a in this case is going to be x plus 5. Then plus 2x minus 4. The answer we get, we are going to multiply by x plus 3. Now, simplifying all this, 60 will be equals to 1 over 2 into brackets x plus 2x is 3x. 5 minus 4 is going to be equal to plus 1. You multiply by x plus 3. Now, our next step is to get rid of a half. And to do it, I'm going to multiply by 2 and 2 on both sides. So, a half of 2 is equal to 1. Hence, on this side here, I'm going to get 120. It's equals to 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1, multiplied by x plus 3. Next step, we are going to expand this quadratic expression on the right hand side. So 120 is equals to 3 times x is equals to 3x squared plus 3x times 3 is going to be equal to 9x. 1 times x is x, and then 1 times 3 is going to be positive 3. Now 120 will therefore equal to 3x squared plus 10x plus 3. Now my next step here, I'm going to reorganize this quadratic equation such that I have a 0 after the equal sign. Now I'm beginning with 3x squared, 3x squared, then plus 10x, then plus 3, all right, is equals to 120. Now moving 120 before the equal sign, I'm going to get 3x squared plus 10x plus 3x plus 3, minus 120 is equals to 0. Now simplifying this, I'm going to get 3x squared plus 10x minus 117 is equals to 0. Now, if you look at the question, we were asked to write our answer in three significant figures. That's an indication that this quadratic equation is not going to have factors. And solving such kind of an equation, the best way out, we use a quadratic formula. Therefore, the quadratic formula is written as x is equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, from the above equation, a is equals to 3, b is equals to 10, and c will be equal to 117. Therefore, plugging it into a quadratic equation, x is equals to minus 10 plus or minus the square root of b squared, that is 10 squared, which is going to be 100, minus 4 times a, which is 3, times negative 117. Then you divide by 2 times 3. Therefore, our x solution, now plugging all the values in the square root sign into your calculator, we are going to get minus 10 plus or minus the square root of when you plug all this into your calculator, you're actually going to get all the values that are inside your square root. If you plug them into your calculator, you are going to get 38.78. Then divide by 6. Now, if you work out this, in case we are looking for the x value when we have an addition sign, the first value for x will be equals to minus 10 plus 38.78 divided by 6, which is approximately equal to 4.80. 4.80 here. Then the next answer for x will be equals to minus 10 minus 38.78 divided by 6. If you work out this in your calculator, you are going to get minus 8.13. Now, if you try the two solutions for x that we have, you will notice that second answer, this second answer here, we are going to find the dimensions of the trapezium as negative, and therefore it is not making sense. What makes sense only it's when x is 4.8. Therefore, our final solution is x is equals to 4.80. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and click the notification so that you get updated whenever we add interesting question. Bye bye. Have a great day.